together with online classes. Class 9 English book moments, first number chapters, discussion of exercises about the book's question answer, given 5 questions and talk about it. We shall discuss now as it is given in the textbook, and I hope you that whatever I discuss, I have explained the chapter, and according to the chapter there are the questions, and you have to read more and to study well, then you can understand it very well. So I hope you that what I ask you questions, that you will understand. So student, so without wasting our time, I shall proceed towards this exercise, and listen well. Question number 1. And what are the things the child sees in his way to the fair? What are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? Okay, this is the question. Question very simple. On his way to the fair, the child sees toys, balloons of different colors, garland of gulmohar, a swing and a snake charmer. Playing a flute, he gets attracted towards all these things, so he lags behind. It's clear? Once again I say, on his way to the fair, the child sees toys, balloons of different colors, garland of gulmohar, a swing and a snake charmer. Then playing a flute, he gets attracted towards all these things, so he lags behind. Okay, now let's discuss about the question number 2. Question number 2. In the fair, he wants many things. In the fair, he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? It's okay? So, once again I read the question. In the fair, he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? Yeah, the child wants many things in the fair. He wants to have toys, different sweets, garland, balloons of different colors, and has a keen desire to enjoy the roundabout, merry-go-round. He moves on without waiting for an answer, because whenever he stops to see things, his parents gave him a cautionary call, "Calm, child, calm." So that's why he moved without waiting for an answer. So this is the second of our question's answer, and I hope you, as I have discussed this question also, you perhaps understood the matter, and you have to practice the exercise again and again. Then whatever the question arises, you can present it well. Question number 3. When does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? कब उसको महसूस हुआ कि वो अपना रास्ता भटक चुका था, और कैसे वो अपने आप को बहुत ही परेशानी और असुरक्षित महसूस किया? ओके, द चाइल्ड सीज ए राउंडाbout in the fair and gets attracted to it. He wants to have a ride on it. Yes, he asks his parents for permission to enjoy it. Having no response on the part of his parents, he realized that he has lost his way. He starts crying bitterly at once and runs here and there in search of them. Yes, the child sees a roundabout in the fair and gets attracted to it. He wants to have a ride on it. He asks his parents for permission to enjoy it. Having no response on the part of his parents, he realizes that he has lost his way. He starts crying bitterly at once and runs here and there in search of them. So students, so we can see in this lesson that the child wanted to have the enjoy this merry-go-round, and then after he lost his parents, and then after he had the anxiety and insecurity, etc. Question number 4, let's discuss. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? जो चीज़ पहले उसको बहुत मजा आता था, शौक था, लेकिन वो उस सब चीज़ को उसकी इच्छा नहीं है. What is the reason? The lost child loses interest in the things he had wanted earlier because he got lost in the fair. पहले तो खो गया था. His panic stricken or being lost. Panic stricken मतलब बहुत भय से डर गया है. And that's why he is also now he first wants his parents. उनको सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ चाहिए, अपना parents. He is afraid and feels unsafe. तो उसको डर लग रहा है, और that's why he unsafe. That's why he wanted to meet his parents. So what about the things that he likes to see? He has no more interest to amuse with all these things because he had lost his parents. Okay, this is the answer of this. Then question number 5. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? Good question. Yes, I feel that the child finds his parents at last. जरूर पेरेंट्स मिला होगा, क्योंकि बच्चा का जितना फिक्र नहीं है उसका पेरेंट्स का उतना फिक्र है. हर पल में उसको बच्चे को देख रहे थे और चिल्ला रहे थे, बच्चे कहाँ गया है, कहाँ गया है. सो डेफिनेटली, सो द काइंड हार्टेड पर्सन मस्ट हैव ट्राइड हिज बेस्ट टू फाइंड हिज पेरेंट्स. उसका जो काइंड हार्टेड पर्सन भी बोलता होगा, जरूर ढूंढने के लिए मदद किया होगा. On the other hand, the parents of the child must have left no stone unturned to find their child, because they love their child too much, and they are also guided and search, and they are always thinking about this child. So I hope so that definitely their parent would have thought about the child, and they must have found this child. So next point, talk about it. One of the how to ensure not to get lost. Yes, how to ensure not to get lost. Let's discuss. It is very common that children get lost in fairs and crowds. Hardly a day passes when no child gets lost. It is the duty of both the parents and the children to ensure not to get lost. The parents need to be vigilant and more careful at crowded places. Before entering a crowded place, the parents should fix a point where the child should wait in case of getting lost. They should make the child memorize home address and telephone numbers nowadays. Yes, छोटे बच्चों को मोबाइल नंबर याद कराना जरूरी है, क्योंकि बड़े जाएं they can need the help of the mobile phone and can get the police or any good person may help. Okay, they should put or pin of a note on the pocket of the child with full details. उनके पॉकेट में भी एड्रेस लिखा रहना चाहिए पेरेंट का. In any case of infant or bad luck or any mishap and very bad situation that may help the child, they should attend to the need of the child and never leave him behind. In case he happens to stand at some shop. Let's see. On the other hand, the child should hold the hands of his parents at the crowded place. जैसे भीड़ वाला जगह में उस पेरेंट को भी और बच्चों को भी हाथ पकड़ के रहना चाहिए कि खतरे में अगर है. He should keep an eye on his parents so as not to lose sight of them, especially in the time of Dasera, in the time of great fun and fair, lots of crowded people. At the time, it's great risky. At the time, the parent and the child, those who are going on this crowd people, they have to be more careful. In case of any emergency, the help of police, help centers, and media can be taken in this way, that in the time of loss or time of insecurity, it can be a very simple way to find the child or person who is lost. So these are all about these chapters. Only this much is given in this portion, and I think so that you have understood whatever I have discussed, and you have understood all this point on this chapter. I think you all have very easy way to understand. Yes, students, now I am going to write a letter to the editor of the newspaper on the issue of garbage, घटिया चीज जो तुम्हारे रोड पर that is spread all through your locality, maybe NSC, maybe municipality, maybe Nayapara, maybe Khair Road. कैसे गंदा है तो आप कैसे लेटर लिखोगे? I am going to discuss all this matter. So maybe Nayapara, maybe Khair. So you have to write your own address. I may give you a fake address or any imaginary address, whatever, so that you have to use it and have to write. But the format is important, and you have to practice the way what I write, and all of you follow it to me, and it will help you in your study. Okay? So students, now let's discuss about this. In this application, you have to know the address. You have to write your gully number or the which mall you stay. Here I roughly written imaginary 10 Santinagar or which other place you are. So here in this Santinagar you can write your own address there. So here you have to mention that date 6th August 2020. You have to give space, then have to write. You have to space here also, then have to write to the editor of Indian Express. Then you can write from Express or Raipur or etc. Anyone else you can mention that. And you have to start it. Subject you write need to clean Santinagar. Yes, and then after you write through you like music. I would local authority. Santinagar. Towards the on hygienic conditions. Conditions. In Santinagar. Change the paragraph. You have to drop this one point and you have to change this paragraph and you write. I am writing this one and you can read this. Sir, through your arrived newspaper, I would like to draw attention of local authorities of Santinagar toward the unhygienic conditions in Santinagar. We have to write. Okay. Then I can change the paragraph. Let's see. The routes of the locality are filled with polythene bags and nuts. As you know, that it is the rainy season these days choke off the drainage which worsen the condition. There are germs and insects breathing on This is a cause of illness among the residents specifically. Now, again, change the paragraph. Hence, through these methods, I would request the concerned authorities to get the locality clean as soon as possible. And also arrange for have to space, give one space, right? Yours truly or faithfully, write your man, write your man. Either working man, write your own man. So you have to, I am reading once again the rules of the locality and field. Only thing next and Dutch. As you know that it is the rainy season, it is big choke of the day. Drainage which worsen the condition, there are germs and insects breathing all through our locality, and this is a cause of illness among the residents, especially the children. Hence, through this letter, I will request the council authorities to get the locality clean as soon as possible and also arrange for the controlling. So you have to write the conclusion part, then have to keep space, then have to go slowly, then have to write it down. Do you understand this? As I have discussed all this is a letter of editor. This is very important in the examination. In this pattern it comes. I have told you that first you have to write your your address, then after keep space, then your date, and then after you keep space, then you write to the editor of the newspaper, etc. Then the place, and then after you have to write the subject. What the subject is? Subject जैसे यहाँ जैसे subject, write a letter to the editor of the newspaper on the issue of garbage that is spread all through the your locality. Means garbage मतलब गंदा है तो need to clean, subject में need to clean this your locality, need to गंदा है तो subject में क्या रहता है to make a clean and pure and good sanitize and good fine place to life, to have a good life. Okay, we can create. Then write sir or madam. You have to then salute. You have to some greetings through your allied newspaper. I would like to draw attention of local authority of Shanti Nagar towards the unhygienic conditions in Shanti Nagar. Okay, you have to, this is the introduction part. Then you have to write the body part. Yeah, the roads of the local are filled with polythene bags. आपको इसका problem को दिखाना है. You have to show its problem filled with polythene bags and dirt. As you know that this is the rainy season and this is choke मतलब गंदा कर देना rainy season. कुछ worsen the condition मतलब घटिया कर देना. The germs and insects breeding और भी इससे germs या insect को भी बीमारी है और थोड़ा locality and this is a cause of illness. इससे क्या होगा आपको बीमारी होता है. Among the residents people, those who are staying there, especially the children, उनको बीमारी भी हो रहा है. You have to elaborate what are the problems you are facing. You have to highlight these problems. Okay. Then after this, you have to come to the conclusion. You have to read those paragraphs. Then after hands are therefore so as I will do. Through this letter, I would request whom this newspaper, the concerned authorities, the authority ऊपर में है, to get the locality clean. हमारी locality क्या होना चाहिए? Sanitized और hygienic, clean साफ सुथरा होना चाहिए. As soon as possible, जितना जल्दी हो सके इतना जल्दी वो पूरा होना चाहिए. And also arrange for controlling this. I hope so. So finally, you write yours truly, and you write your name, etc. You write in clean handwriting. There should be not be any cuts and any wrong, any mistakes. You have to keep the margins. You have to keep in one total sheet of paper from the beginning to the ending. Total papers you have to use. You have to put the margins, and you have to make in cleanliness and a good handwriting. And if you follow all these patterns in any type of letter, because every part of the application is important. You have to be fast, not to cut. Post from trigger, they cut like this. कुछ गलत हो गया ऐसे काटते हैं. That is wrong. If you find any wrong, just cut in a single line. Or especially in applications, not to make any cut short. Yes, in a writing time, any errors in the sentence or words, just cut in one single line, but not totally blank. You have to note it. I see many students do mistakes while they make this blank, and it makes you dirty, and that's why teacher was thinking that not pure. That's why minus marking is there. And to check out the spellings and distance and all the sentence and for grammar and practice, that you have to make the correct sense, correct sentence, correct tense, and suppose this matter is the past, you use past tense. If you have the hope, then future tense, and you have to use all these things as you have to write the letter. And I hope this today I discussed about this chapter, the lost child, also the one of the letter, and all the things I discussed. And I would like to suggest you to read this chapter. Very simple chapter. Is just you have to read more and more to remember the lost child, which places he went, and what are the things he admired. Then after he lost in the merry-go roundabout. Then after he was very in problem, and he cried a lot. Then nobody was thinking about him. He was hopeless. But in this crowd of people, only one good people, very honest people, he found him and tried to console, tried to soothe. Soothe means relax and calm. Tried to the things which the child was denied or avoided by the parent. The same thing the person tried to give, but the child first need was his parents, not these items which are found in the found here. I could like to say that's a very interesting. Your first priority and first important thing is your parent, not your all the very exciting and interesting items. So give respect to your parent and be disciplined and obey, and also the grammar and this writing session practice it. Hope you meet you once again in the next period. Till that time, have a good day and bye.